And welcome back. I am currently sitting in the back of my daily driver. It is a 1993 Mercedes-Benz 300 turbo diesel W124 body. Boy, that's a mouthful. I just call him Luke. As you can see, he's got the classic, sagging, annoying headliner that all of these cars seem to have ever of this era. About 20 years, more than 25 years old, 27 years old. I mean, okay, whatever, it's an old car. Really saggy, really annoying. If I lower the windows, it buffets like a mad boss. And for those of you with a W124, you know the headliners, well, you may know the headliners held up with this orange, for lack of a better term, Googus. There's some of it down there. That's a sneak peek of what I'm doing. Anyway, I hope to remove this in a future video, remove this headliner and reupholster it with something else. But of course, it's a Mercedes, so it has to be super difficult because it's super over-engineered, but that's cool. That's cool. We like puzzles, we like challenges here at IconoClassic. So what I'm going to be doing today is removing this, I guess, B-pillar upholstery Zach thing, because this is completely his let go. Here's the orange nastiness. It's like sticky and squishy and gritty and nasty, and it gets everywhere. It gets on things, it melts into things, it melts in your clothing, it gets in your eyes, it gets in your hair, goes down your throat and makes you choke. So I'm not about that life. Anyway, down here there's two Phillips hub screws. Just crack those out. And two. That should be, oh, there it came out. How about that? You stand. How about? Yeah. So now do a little wiggle and it's out. So these are two separate pieces, and it just popped out again. I don't want to lose that. Oh, hey. It's important. So removing the broken, well, it's not really, it's broken. My radio, the tape deck is busted. So now we have, this whole thing will come right out. Patang. There's a clip up here. I just gotta wiggle a bit. Be careful because everything seems to be like somehow brittle, but not at the same time. Down here, pop the tab. That is, I believe that's a 17. I want to say it's a 17. And of course, that was a 16, didn't fit. 19, too big. I'm out of 17s. But it's all right. It's all right. Why is it all right? I'll tell you why it's all right. Is it all right? It might not be all right. Oh, yeah. It is all right. No, that's the wrong one. What did I do with it? I just had it. Oh, I'm sitting on it. Yeah, it's all right because I got an 11/16, which is basically a 17. So we're good. Wow. And my ratchet's broken, and I don't feel like looking for a different one because it's got my set of Harbor Freight tools in the car, and it's good stuff. It's good stuff. It was $30, and it does the job most of the time. All the time, actually. I don't think I've ever used it for a job that it wasn't able to do. Now deconstruct that, why don't you? All right, so now we got this out. Let's take a look at it. Oh, I lost the bottom. Whatever. Here's the piece. Got this ugly corporate gray that I'm tired of. So yeah, it's coming off. Here's that joyful powdered milk that's gone bad in 1948. It just gets down, you know, reduces itself to powder, gets everywhere, and is no longer adhesive, and it just really sucks. And I'm not having it. Anyway, so yeah, what I'm doing is see if I can do this without ripping it. I don't know why I don't care about ripping it, because I'm not going to use it because I don't like it, because it's dumb. That's why I'm taking it off, you see. But I'm still going to be careful because, you know, I'm not about that ripping and tearing life. Slowly peel back, exposing the edges. I haven't figured out a way yet to clean the orange junk off. These are plastic. I'm surprised because Mercedes is like quality everywhere. But it's all right because weight reduction. So I haven't figured out a way to clean it off. Probably alcohol I'm gonna try, something like that. Pretty non-invasive. And then, I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna try to figure out what fabric to replace it with. So that'll be another video. So there, it's off. That slides. Try to see if I can take this out and paint it, maybe. Although, you know what? I don't care. It's all right. It's a throwback to the original color. It's faded and gross. I might paint it anyway. All right. Set that there. Let's see what else we got. So now, of course, you know, we need seatbelts, even if the inside of a car is taken apart like this, you know, safety first, guys. So I'm gonna start that. And, the assist. And we're back. That was fast. So just tightening this up. And that's one step down. Wow. Oh, that's pretty cool. Pull that down. Oh, that may do. You know what? I might just want to leave it like that. That's just kidding. Just kidding. All right, that's finger tight. What the heck? Oh, this. I think this goes. Let's look at the other side. Oh, it's up there. It must have fallen down. Yeah, it's supposed to be like glued up here. The adhesive has given up the ghost. But that's all right. That's all right. I don't even think that part's necessary. So now, yeah, as you can see, saggy, naggy right there. And I currently don't have AC in the car. I mean, it has AC. It's just haven't figured out what's wrong with it yet. So it's hot. It's hot in this car when there is no AC. And if I have the windows open, this whole thing starts buffeting. And it started to let go of the orange stuff. And that's just, yeah. Anyway, I've spoken enough about the orange stuff. The cursed googus. So that's a wrap. That's a wrap. That's how you take these things off. Your B-pillar seatbelt cover thing. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great evening, morning, afternoon, or whatever time zone you find yourself in, time of day you find yourself in. Oh yeah, this is the bottom piece. It, you know, the top, that whole thing sits in here in this little groove there, that screws in. That's what keeps it in. These two screws down here and the clip up into there. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and peace and love.